And paano nyo nalaman, how does it go? Baka nag-submit ba kayo? Tinawag ba kayo?
Maganda yung...
Sige, pag-submit and then ako experience. Sige.
Ikwento ko muna yung prior to Cannes. Tapos pagdating sa Cannes doon. We, as early as that, the XYZ guys who was interested years ago is really following on the job. Did you find a producer? Is it gonna happen? So early this year, they already knew na we were shooting the film. So happy na sila. They went to Berlin Film Market. So there's a market. And they said, if you've shot enough footage, could you come up with a trailer? A mood reel. And you can put as many things because it's not going to be posted elsewhere. It's just for buyers. So make it very impressive. Don't care about the story. You can find out about the story or the death of someone. It's okay. Because they buy films.
Instead of a slug line. It's a...
So we made like a 2.5-minute edit of the footage. No color correction, music, peg music, mga Steven Tyler pa ngayon yung ginagamit.
Kasi ano pa, wala pang, hindi pa siya ni-score.
Tsaka, kung lang, private.
Private.
Papanood lang naman privately. So, ni-rush, sinubmit. Okay, they were able to sell it to France, just by the trailer alone, so pre-buy siya. But the good thing about that was, when they were going around the Berlin Film Market to show the trailer, the Cannes Directors Fortnight, Edward Weintraub, programmer, saw the trailer. And literally, how XYZ described it was, the trailer started and he... so, after that, he said, if the film is as consistent as this, from beginning to end, we would like to see it for Cannes consideration. So then the game changed, because when they informed us, we were only halfway through the film. And Cannes is May, and that was already almost February. It's not like an ideal situation to edit it. So eventually, we rushed the edit. Actually, nakadalawang padala pa kami sa Cannes. We sent it first time. And since I didn't have the time, I only showed it to a couple of friends. Because we had a really long cut. And then everyone sat down and discuss story. And then I had over the weekend, only over the weekend, Friday the viewing, Saturday, Sunday, tweaked the entire edit, and sent it to Cannes without even studying takes and so to be safe about it, I added a rough cut supers in the beginning, rough cut on the job, and then added a cover letter saying we are still fine-tuning it, etc. When I showed it to a few programmers, we sent it already to Cannes. And then simultaneously, we showed it to other programmers. The programmer said, did you send this cut to Cannes? Yes. With the same everything? Yes. Subtitles? Yes. The supers at the beginning, rough cut? Yes. Well, Mati, unless you're Wong Kar-wai, you can never put rough cut to Cannes because no one knows you in Cannes. I mean, they will not take you seriously if you put rough cut. They will just, okay, they're going to look for another film. So I said, they received the disc already today. And they said, no, call them, tell them not to watch it. And so we got in touch. We asked for 5 more days. So we fixed everything. That's when I was able to look at takes and fine-tune it. And then sent it to.
And you were satisfied with the additional 5 days?
That
was that the final already? That was the final already. That's what we saw sa movie house.
No, because it went through when it was in Cannes without the announcement. Of course, we were tweaking it. It's okay after that because the early part was. It's something I can. And then, when we got to Cannes...
So we got that announcement. Syempre, everyone was very jubilant about it, no? So, when we got there, nakakagulat siya. Sobrang nakakagulat. Kasi syempre, doon namin na-realize na, shit, napakalaki pala ng mundo ng pelikula. Nandun lahat, di ba? Nandun lahat. All races were there. Talagang all the hotels were booked, di ba? Para
Tsaka hindi siya art house lang, ha? Lahat.
Talagang film market.
Oh,
Talagang
movie,
talagang-
zombie, lahat.
So may mga
palengke na talagang
mga B-rated
palengke siya.
binibenta din talaga.
Oo, talagang palengke siya.
Yeah.
Andun lahat ng races. Indians, Asians, Americans, Germans, lahat. Di ba? Siyempre, Pinoy tayo, pumunta
Yeah.
tayo doon. Siyempre, hindi natin alam what to expect. Di ba?
You had a booth, you had a...
No, we didn't have a booth, but then
Because we had an
agent.
an
We had-
agent.
we had an agent.
Yeah,
So,
someone who knows
yeah,
the
so,
market. Yeah.
yun nandun kami. Maganda naman yung plinano ng agent for us. So,
Yeah.
syempre, di ba, knowing that maraming screenings mangyayari ng iba-ibang pelikula, I think they were able to do some market screenings
Yeah.
even before the premiere. Di ba?
To entice buyers.
Planned very well.
Yeah.
Kaya nga yun una, syempre, takot kami.
Yeah.
Sino ba manonood nito? Di ba?
Pinoy.
Pinoy ito eh, di ba? Ganun, di ba? Only to hear. Tinawagan kami ng agent namin, di ba? Nanahimik kami.
Opening ng Canyon, ha? First
Yeah.
day.
Sabi sa amin na on the first screening date, they had to turn away 100 buyers. Buyers, 100 buyers, di ba? So, tinanong namin, so what's gonna happen? Sayang naman yung 100 buyers na yan, di ba? Oh, we have to make another screening. So, we have scheduled another one, di ba?
Tomorrow, the
The
next
next
day.
day, book sila ulit, di ba? So, we got another call. Oh no, we have to turn away 50 buyers. Di ba? Di ba? So,
That's when we had to put up the
Medyo-
Vimeo link.
medyo na-overwhelm kami. So, with that, sabi namin, wow, talagang at least tinanggap rin pala tayo ng ibang
Yeah.
market, di ba? So, parang all through and through, di ba, the Cannes experience is something we'll never forget, just for me and Eric. Kasi, aside from that, we met a lot of producers,
Yeah.
di ba? Nagulat kami also na, ginagawa pa lang yung OTJ,
Yeah.
marami ng emails
Yeah.
on agents too, eh, di ba? Like, kunyari, ICM, CAA, di ba, mga ganon, di ba? So, we had to even give time. Wow, baliktad
Yeah.
Kaya pala na, humihingi sila
Medyo
humihingi sila
Canadian snap.
humihingi sila ng schedule
Ikawan
sa
niyo ako.
amin.
Ayan.
Humihingi pala sila ng schedule
Yeah.
sa amin para makausap lang at para to see if we want to join their group, di ba? So, ang ganda ng feeling, di ba? Di mo, there's the stuff that you can't buy, di ba? So, yun.
Alam mo yan, Pilipinoy, di ba? Parang
di
hindi
ba?
ka sanay na, di ba?
Yan eh, as honest as I can get with my experience in it. But at the end of the day, pagkatapos, we made a lot of friends, we made a lot of contacts, di ba, that we want to share with other industry frontrunners here in Manila, di ba? So, ang ganda, ganda. And it's something na i-share namin sa lahat talaga pag tinanong kami pa ulit.
Yeah.
We're not going to be to be selfish about it.
Yeah. Galing because it's not just, of course, monetary is important. But it's actually an affirmation to yung vision nyo eh. Yung team nyo na you decided na, hindi pwede yung... Which is again, siguro it's a good message. Because I also made this viral for filmmakers.
Yeah.
Whether indie, whether ano.
Yeah.
It's really... Parang binuhay nyo yung idea na madami na nagsasabi. People keep saying it. But nobody's walk. Hindi naman nobody, but yung parang affirmation na pag ginawa to, is it worth it? Diba? Is it worth it? And you actually did it.
There's one thing about on the job, yung result, it's pride.
Yeah.
We're proud of what we did,
Yeah.
and people are now proud of Philippine cinema again.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then when we went to Cannes,
Yeah.
we were proudly representing a Filipino film. So we did sell out.
Yeah.
We were just proud to be ourselves. So it's really just pride.
Yes.
It's the greatest gift that thing.
Totoo yun.
Siguro we can end with that.
Ganda.
Yes,
Oo.
ganda.
Yan ang yung gusto ko pa din sabi ko.
role ko eh.
Pang last one yan.
Ano yung close?
Kaunahan ako.
Ano pwede na
Kaya mo ba ginagawa ko? seryoso na.